quick demo, we'll work through a couple of examples on how to perform a manual stock adjustment on batch-tracked products in the Warehouse Management app, including how this syncs with Unleashed. To get started, let's start by tapping on Stock Adjustments in the home screen and then the Manual tab. Here, you'll see the Add Adjustment button at the bottom of the screen. Let's tap on that. Like with any adjustments, we want to add the adjustment reason. Next, I'll search for the product. You'll know if a product is batch-tracked by this blue badge here. Next, I'm going to choose whether I'm increasing or decreasing the quantity. For this example, I'm going to increase the quantity by 10 for batch number 1. I'll now add in the product expiry date, the 13th of March 2026. Whilst I'm here, I have stock in another location which I want to increase by 20. So I'll do that now and add in the batch number and expiry date, which is different from my other location. Please note that when increasing a product's quantity through an adjustment, you can select an existing batch or create a new one. Okay, now that our details are completed, let's go ahead and submit the adjustment. Great. We can see that a new stock adjustment has been created at the top here, number 376. Let's check these have synced in the product lookup. Nice, we can see there are 10 units in location 1 and 20 units in location 2. Finally, we'll create a decrement stock adjustment on a batch-tracked product. For this example, stock has decreased due to stolen goods. I can select which location to decrease, as long as there is existing stock, as only batches that exist at the selected location are shown. Please note that you cannot reduce more than the available quantity for that batch. I've completed my details, so I'll now submit the adjustment. We can see that a new adjustment has been created. Now let's review the stock in the product lookup. Great, we can see that the quantities have decreased. And finally, let's check to see how these stock adjustments sync with Unleashed. Nice, we can see that both of the adjustments have been created and synced successfully, with stock quantities updated by batch number for each adjustment. And that's the end of the demo. Together, we've looked at a couple of examples on how to manually update batch-tracked stock in the Warehouse Management app and how that syncs with Unleashed. Now you should be ready to have a go yourself. For more help, visit our support center or contact our support team.